Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's video, I'm going to cover how to create tab groups in Google Chrome. I love Google Chrome. I know a lot of people use Google Chrome. So tab groups are fairly new. They've been out for a while. And then I'm going to show you a cool trick with them because by default right now, you cannot save your tab groups, which drives me crazy. So here we go. I'm going to create a tab group first. So I'm just going to go to the website delta.com to keep this easy. So this is going to be a group called airfare, and then I'm going to add Southwest and whatever other airlines I want to. I'm just going to do 2, but here we go. Let's create a tab group. Right click, add tab to new group. You can name it what you want to. I'm going to call this airfare. It put the word airfare right here in the top left. You can give it a color. How about blue? And that sounds good to me right there. So I've got a group called airfare. So now when I add another tab in Google Chrome, and this is Southwest Airlines, well, Southwest needs to be part of airfare. I can just right click, add tab to group, airfare. So now airfare has 2 tabs. Let's do a third one. So this time I'm going to add another tab group for hotels. Let's do hotels.com as an example. Right click, new group. Let's give it the color a red, and that works. So obviously, as I just showed you, you can add a tab, right click, and put that tab in a group. But you can also, let's put in TripAdvisor. You can also just simply drag and drop into the group. As you see here, TripAdvisor. There you go. I could drag and drop and put this one in airfare. So it's that easy. If you need to remove something from it, you just go remove from group. Now this is just sitting by itself. It's not in a group. Now here is the issue. You can have as many groups as you want to. That is not a problem. The issue is when you close Google Chrome and restart Chrome, you cannot save tab groups. It drives me crazy and it drives other people crazy. So this is just a workaround that I have. I'm going to come over here to the far right to my customize and controls for Google Chrome. We're going to go down to settings and click. We're going to go to on startup and click. And on startup, you've got these 3 options. Continue where you left off. I'm going to select that. Now, when I come back up here, there's no save. That's all you need to do. So I've got 2 tab groups, and each one happens to have 2. I'm going to close Chrome and quickly reopen it just to show you it works. Fingers crossed. There we go. One more tip for you. If you work the way I do, not only am I in Chrome, but also new tab. I'm going to drag this one out. So now I've got Chrome running twice. If you're like me, you may have Chrome running multiple times. Make sure the last one you close is your tab groups. That is all I have for you. I hope you appreciate those tips. I hope you appreciate using tab groups. Let me know if you have any comments down below. If you have any Google Chrome shortcuts for me, please let me know those. And feel free to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.